for the buyer activity. New listings are down 17.9% from last year and down 5.3% from last week. It's Friday, December 16th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Homes on the market are sitting longer, rising to 23 days this month from 13 days this past June. Buyer showings are down another 8.3% from last week. However, new contracts did rise 6% week over week, and the ratio rose to 121 homes going under contract for every 100 that come on the market. This indicates that we have not flipped into a buyer's market yet. The Maryland suburbs saw the median sold price rise last month 1.4% to $440,000 from last year. Inventory is off by 23.2% and days on the market are at 26. Homes are selling at 98.2% list to sold ratio. Maryland's Eastern Shore median sold price dropped 3% from this time last year, and prices are down 4% from October. Inventory selection is also tight, since new listings are down 32.9% from last year. Days on the market rose to 33, and average sold to list priced ratio fell to 95.8%. Southern Maryland saw their median sales price rise 1.5% from last year, but fall 2.3% from October. New listings are off by 23.8% from last year this time and down 14.7% from this October. Homes are staying on the market 30 days and selling at 97.7% list to sold ratio. Over the past week, fewer homes came to the market than past weeks. 370 homes are coming soon. 997 homes came to the market, 469 went under contract, 730 moved to pending, 983 sold at 98.6% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was a tear down in Annapolis on Harness Creek for $5,300,000. There are more rentals this week, climbing to 2,220 rentals offered and still holding steady at $2,350 per month and days on the market at 32. Buyers financing a home just got a win. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have announced that they are raising their conventional loan limits 12% for 2023 for a maximum of $726,200. This is good news for buyers. Home prices have risen, and this move will allow more flexibility and possibly lower rates for financing a higher priced home. Got questions? Let me help. I can provide you with the facts, the data, and information to help bring context to it for your situation. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for December 16th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, take care.